Welcome again, guys, to Tutorials with Finny. Okay, so today on this video, I want to teach you how to create your own thumbnails, like thumbnails that would captivate your audience, that will captivate people to come to your channel, just like this that you are seeing here. This one, this I created it myself. All right, so I want to teach you how to create these captivating thumbnails, all right, by yourself with your smartphone. All of what I do with my smartphone. All right, so let me teach you how to make that possible. So to create your thumbnail is actually very simple with your Canva. So all you need to do is to go to your Canva app and click on the search button, type in YouTube thumbnail. Once you type in YouTube thumbnail, they'll bring out all of the designs they have. The first one you see is maybe you want to create from afresh, but I use mostly the designs they have and I edit. So just scroll. Once you scroll and you see any design that is catching your attention, you can easily select it. So as for me, it depends on what I want to design, depends on the video, you understand. So I'll just have to choose. So this one caught my attention and I selected it. Okay, you allow it to load. Once it is done loading, you will start editing. You will edit based on what you want, you understand. So as for me, I already made a video, so I had what I wanted in mind, so I just had to start editing. So whatever you want to put in on the thumbnail, whatever you want people to see first before watching your video, that's what you start putting in. So my YouTube channel name, this particular channel name is Finny TV. So I usually put it on every thumbnail. So that was the first thing I imputed. And then I started designing. I was thinking, what would be this captivating thumbnail caption that would catch people's attention. So since I was talking about thumbnail, I just decided to make it I just decided to make the thumbnail to carry the video caption, like how to design your thumbnails, how to design thumbnails by yourself, like do it yourself. So I did the design with this tutorial. I made the design while teaching this particular tutorial, while taking you guys on the journey, you understand. So I made the design for this video on this particular tutorial. So I just had to design and I stretched this design thumbnails. I had to stretch it. Just do what you want. Just once you get the design you want, the one that have captivated you, the fonts, everything, just design what you want. Make sure it is what you want. Make sure it is what will capture the attention of your audience, because that's the most important aspect of thumbnail. Because what usually drag people to your video, or what usually bring people's attention to your video, is how captivating your thumbnail is. So you have to take your time. You have to make sure that you use the right words. You have to make sure that you use the right pictures, the right images. You have to make sure that you use the right background, everything. So this is me trying to design this thumbnail. This is me trying to design everything about it. I have to think, because you have to use your mind. You have to think. You have to be calculative. You have to understand the things that you have to do. So I started searching for pictures, images, the one that will suit this one best. I already have uploads because I do these designs a lot, so I have uploads on Canva. So I just clicked on Canva and I was searching for the image that I will use that would be better. So I scrolled, I went up, I came down, and finally I decided to use the one I used for this thumbnail. So I just had to screw up back, and then I selected that particular one, and that was what I used. So both the background, everything, you have to make sure it speaks volume of your video, because if the thumbnail do not capture the attention of people, they will not be interested in your video. So both the image, you see a lot of persons that will lift their hands, you see those that would cover their mouths, you see those that will give different expressions just to catch the attention of audience. Like what you saw on this thumbnail that brought you to this video, that you're watching it to this moment, was because you saw the expression on my face, or because you saw the write-up. One thing or the other brought you to watch this video. So whatever it is that captivated your attention, that is the essence of thumbnail. So you have to take your time and design it exactly the way that you know that if you see it, you that is designing, that if you see it, you want to know what this video is talking about. So that's the essence of thumbnail, because that is what first of all captures the attention of your audience, of your viewers. You understand? So you have to design it. If there is need for you to change the background, then you have to change the background. Check the font size, check the text size, check the write-up, everything. Check if it is exactly as you want it. If it is not, my dear, change it. All right, so if you have watched to this point, if you are with me on this journey of tutorials with PHANIE, this particular video I'm teaching how to design thumbnails by yourself. Do it yourself, DIY, do it yourself with PHANIE, and it's very simple with your Canva app. It is very simple. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do a lot of these tutorials on how you can do these things yourself with your smartphone. I'm using my smartphone, and you can use your smartphone to do these things yourself and also get viewers for yourself. So subscribe to my channel for many more, because these teachings comes in series. I teach a lot of things: how you can use your CapCut app, how you can use the features in your CapCut, how you can use your Canva, and how you can do other things by yourself. So just subscribe. So on this part, I try to change the background. So I was thinking, what will I turn the background into? What will I use? How will I design it so the background will come out better? Because that initial background that the design had was not relating to my video at all. So I needed to change it. So I just had to use the color effect to change it. So I just changed the color effect, and it came out this way. So this is beautiful. So I started adjusting the picture, started adjusting the designs, everything, so that it can come out better. Then I thought to myself, let me just add something. It's looking too empty, too dry. So since I've already adjusted all of the font size and everything, I decided to add another write-up. So I went to text, where you see T, I went to text, and I have to choose a text design. I chose this particular one, and I edited it to what I want. So once you click on it, you start editing it by yourself. So I edited it to what I want, and it came out so beautiful. And I adjusted it to what I typed was do it yourself, DIY, with PHANIE. You understand? So designing of thumbnail with PHANIE. So I typed it and I edited it. It came out very well. How to adjust it and fit it into the design. You cannot just type it and leave it that way. Once you're done typing, you are sure you like the color, you like the font, you like everything that you've typed. If you don't like it, work on it. All of the features you're seeing, check my tutorials, you will see more of where I thought of the features in Canva, in CapCut, and all of those things. So you have to adjust it if that is what you want. If you want to still add other things, you can still add. Do what you want. Just make sure you have a thumbnail that will captivate your viewers, that will captivate your audience, that will bring people to view your channel. So I looked at it at this point. I was like, I think there's something else I need to add. So I just had to click on this watch now, and I duplicated it. I brought it down, and I added step by step. So it's not about do it yourself, but step by step on how you should do it yourself. So I adjusted it. I removed it from capital letters and made them small letters. You understand? So I had to drag it, adjusted it so it to be beautiful. Make sure you just see everything as you're doing it. See it. Just put yourself in the shoe of your viewers, and you'll be like, if I see this kind of thumbnail, will I want to watch the video? Will I want to see the content of this video? So once you do it, you know what you're doing. So at this point, I needed something flashy to shine on it. Since it's a dark background, the black background that I use, I needed something shiny. So I had to duplicate the light from this other side to this side, and I reduce the transparency so it will not be too shouty, and then I duplicated this one too so it will come out brighter because it was too dim and all of that. So this came out beautiful and I loved it. Like, it came out beautiful to me. I loved it. So if I see something like this, I would love to watch the content. So I had to go to download, and I selected, we check the file types. I have to select the first one, JPG, which is best for sharing. So I have to select it, and then I started downloading. You will give it some minutes, some seconds to download. So it will download faster. If you have a faster network signal, download faster. So all you need to do is to minimize and then go to your YouTube app immediately. If you already have a video you want to upload, like the time I did this design, I have not finished editing this video, so I've not uploaded it, so there was no need of adding the thumbnail for this video to another video. But I needed to show you guys a design, so I just had to come on it. So I have a video ready, so I just clicked on it and I went to edit. So I went to edit, and this is exactly where you add your thumbnail. This first part where you're seeing the pictorial view of your video. So you click on where you see the pen ink, the pen icon, click on it. You will see change because it's already a video that exists. You are seeing some video background, but you click on change, and then you go to your thumbnail, the one you've designed that you like. You click on it too and click on done. Then it will take you to this point. If I save it, automatically it becomes the thumbnail for that video, but because it is not the thumbnail for the video, I cannot save it. So I just have to go back. But once you're done, that is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.